In this video, let's see how to manage opt-out words by setting active status, deleting, adding, updating, and changing status to inactive. Type the word into the input field in the form. Click on the Add Word button in the form to add a new opt-out word. Click on the Action menu, 3 dots, next to an opt-out word to view more options. Select Update from the drop-down menu to edit the opt-out word. Edit the opt-out word by typing in the text field within the modal. Click the Save button to update the opt-out word. Click the vertical ellipsis on the right side of the opt-out word to open the Actions menu. Select Set as Inactive from the drop-down menu to change the status of the opt-out word. Confirm the action by clicking the Continue button in the confirmation pop-up. Click on the Set as Active option from the Actions drop-down for a word in the list. Confirm the action by clicking on the Continue button in the pop-up modal. Click on the 3-dot menu to open the Actions drop-down for a different word in the list. Select the Delete option from the Actions drop-down for the word. Confirm the deletion by clicking on the Continue button in the confirmation modal.